Hey guys, we're going to talk about getting multiple estimates today. Eric here, Blue Nail Roofing, and obviously the get multiple estimates strategy is not a bad strategy. However, getting multiple estimates can be challenging, because a lot of contractors just don't want to take the time to write estimates, especially if they're dealing with an insurance claim, because in most every case, the insurance company is going to make an offer to settle the claim, and it may, and in most cases, may not be enough to execute the job. So if you are getting multiple estimates, you need to know exactly what you expect on the estimate. So you need to research what kind of underlayment you would like, what kind of shingles, that would be brand, style, and color. You also need to research the hip and ridge shingle. What style of hip and ridge? High profile, 3-tab, extra wide. What do you want? What's going to be practical with your roofing system, and what do you expect? You also need to research, are the flashings going to be replaced? Will ice and water shield or leak barrier be used? Will you replace the accessories, the pipe jacks, the furnace vents? And also you need to know about ventilation, because your ventilation could be inadequate for your roofing system. Now understand that ventilation that's inadequate voids your manufacturer's warranty. So it's important that you understand exactly what you need for ventilation. So when we do new construction projects, everything is spelled out. The brand, the style, what we're using. I mean, down to the brand of nails they want to use, down to the brand of caulk they want to use. It's all very specific and gives you an accurate bid on exactly what you expect and what you're getting. So find a great contractor that can help you make the decision. If you're not familiar with roofing, if it's not in your background, or you don't have somebody you can consult with, you should be able to find somebody that can work with you on a consulting basis just to walk through how you should be picking your roof, what materials you should expect for performance, for longevity, for durability, and obviously getting those estimates that are accurate to what you want is going to give you a more accurate price on what you should expect to spend for exactly what you need. See, the real problem is people just say, I want a roof estimate, which is a really broad term for a contractor to be able to decide on, well, how am I estimating this, right? Some contractors have different processes, different procedures, use different materials, and those have an effect on the cost. So if you just ask for an estimate, you're going to get several different things from several different contractors. You may get one contractor that says, hey, well, I'm going to bid you the best roof and what I would put on my house if it was me. And then you may get contractor B who installs an economy version, and they may use the cheapest of everything they have. And so you may get two totally different estimates for what you assume is the same roof, because when you just say, I need a roof estimate, it's a broad statement, as we said. So wind or hail, call Blue Nail, and remember, check out our library for other videos that can help you regarding making decisions on roofing, insurance claims, and more.